Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois, northwestern Dutchtown County in north central Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. 8:24 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Belvedere to near Byron to near Polo, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. 60 miles per hour. Source radar quarter-size hail. Impact. Source hail damage to vehicles is expected. Thunderstorms were located along a line moving at 35 miles per hour. Lost Nation, and Lindenwood. Lost Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rochelle, Poplar Grove, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Kirkland, Hillcrest, Kingston, Stillman Valley, Timberlane, Lost Nation, New Milford, Creston, and Lindenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.